All right, this is the final video and it's only 1:30 and I just wanted to show you, this is the alternative to adding the leveling gel that I used in the other one where it just kind of ruined everything. I'm just taking my liquid, my glazing gloss liquid, and just doing a thin layer on top, and this kind of oils out. It's not like really oiling out, we're not using oil, but it kind of levels everything out, but it's so much thinner. It's more translucent, and it's still going to make everything appear more even than if we just left it as is. And you can see some of those colors are starting to pop back out again by doing this, but remember, make sure your painting is completely dry before doing this. Don't make the mistake like I did in portrait number 4, I think it was. Just make sure everything is dry. All right, and I'm actually so happy with the way this turned out, and I don't know why, but I didn't do the final thing of removing the tape like I did with the other ones. I thought that was so much fun. So we're gonna call it here. Thank you again for joining me in this class, and it has been such a pleasure. I look forward to teaching you again in the future. Take care.